So I understand that you want to browse the internet anonymously and not have your cookies stored. Well, you're going to need incognito mode, also known as private mode, but in Google Chrome, which is what this video is for, it is known as incognito. It's a really useful feature because what it means is that the things that you're looking for are not going to be saved in your history, and there's not going to be any cookies saved either. Also, if you're using incognito on someone else's computer, and let's say you log into Facebook or something like that, the moment you close that window, you are logged out. It is clearing off all of that information, so your passwords are not going to be saved either as well. Something to bear in mind though is whatever you're looking for is still going to be going somewhere, it's still going to be searched for. So if you're doing this at home, you're going to be fine. But if you're going to be doing this at work or at school, at university, then do think about the things that you're going to be searching for, because they are still going to be going through a server, and you might be needing to have some conversations with some people. Okay. But if you're at home and you wanted to look for something a little bit more discreet, so let's say you didn't want your partner looking up that you, or realizing that you're looking at divorce, then this will be a good way of hiding those tracks. Okay. Anyway, what we're going to do now though, we're going to talk about how to actually action the incognito mode. The easiest way to do it is Control, Shift and N on your keyboard. N for November. Press Control, Shift and N all together, and then a new window opens up in incognito mode. Alternative way is at top right of your browser, there's three little dots. Click on the three dots and then choose New Incognito Window. And finally, if you've got any bookmarks saved or any pages that you visit regularly, then you can right click on it and then choose Open in or Open Link in Incognito Window. Something to bear in mind, whenever you've opened up something in incognito, your original window stays open. So that window, whatever you're searching for, everything will be saved like normal. So your history will be there, your cookies will be there. It's only in the incognito mode of which they're going to be not saved. Also, if you are using incognito and you save a bookmark, it will still save to your usual place. If you download anything, that's going to be downloaded like usual as well. There's no incognito for downloading and bookmarks. Okay, so anything you do in that sense is going to be saved as per usual. Well, I hope you found this video useful. If so, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be making lots more videos. And also, if you've got any comments, any tips on the video, or any tips on the content of the video, then please leave them in the comment section. That would be absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much.